I will talk to you about some problems of relocating game dev studios in the European Union. It's a very personal, very personal for some people in this whole like lecture, speech, or research, so to say. It's not just a research, it's something we live through every day. As you know, but let me introduce myself properly, because nobody knows where I'm working and why am I speaking on behalf of communities, and especially communities which are relocating in European Union, which are post-Soviet post-Soviet republics and some other countries which managed not to become Soviet, but still. I'm Dr. Yaraslau Kot. Right now I'm representative of Game Industry Conference organization team. Also, I'm representative of Games Gathering Conference. It's the main Ukrainian conference, which was quite big, B2B conference. So Ukraine doesn't have its own Game Developers Association. So basically, we as organizers of this conference became some kind of leaders, uniting everything we can under its banner. Also, I'm co-organizer of Central and East European Game Study Conference, which will happen actually next week in Tallinn. So I'm a nerd of nerds. I'm actually nerd among game people. So as well, at the moment, I'm still representative and founder of Belarusian Game Developers Association. And later, maybe you will see Lizaveta Klimovich, who is formerly still a CEO of it. Yes, it survived, nevertheless. And we survived, and our community, here is Stan Lehman, who I told you about during last, we actually discussed Call of Duty issues with airport thing, it came up. So with whom we together were on the board of Belarusian game developers community, and it was tough. Actually, it was safer not to be on the community at all at one point. And right now in European Union, in the world, we created Association of Belarusian Businesses Abroad. It's official legal body. It's registered in some countries and in Poland as well. Actually, our association functions through it. It's easier than, creating a lot of legal divisions. We just function through Association of Belarusian Businesses Abroad, and members of Belarusian Game Developers Associations, they just become members of local national game dev associations, helping for our Belarusians to somehow work together with local communities, integrating them, and sometimes organizing something together with Association of Belarusian Businesses Abroad. I'm also co-founder and advisor to its president. Yes, I'm still getting used to being able to call something else president, but the President Lukashenko, because in Belarus, where I've spent a lot of time and worked, and being partner of a law firm, and being professor at university, and being game developer, and we couldn't call anyone else president. But it's all in the past. All these are actually up-to-date statuses of mine, not counting academic, which are separate, because everything I had I lost after Lukashenko decided that I'm too free-speaking, and I actually went to Okrestina and some other entertaining theme parks of Belarusian dictatorship. And basically was stripped of everything, including my legal property and up to all laptops, everything digital, portable hard drives, everything. So this is what am I now? And we will not discuss. I also used to be, at that moment when I was arrested, I've been regional coordinator for Eastern Europe and Asia of International Game Developers Association. So I worked a lot with communities and of different countries and helped some of them to establish, supported all of them, and now somehow I have knowledge and understanding on what's going on in many countries from where people relocate. And that's what I will tell you about. What problems they encounter, Belarusians, Ukrainians, and so on,